The Site Management Diploma Programme brings participants up to date with regard to relevant topics such as technology, contractual and legal obligations, efficient planning, monitoring and controlling a project, lean construction, sustainability, all the environmental issues, and all of those things that we're expected to know about and practice today. Undertaking the Site Management Programme makes people better at what they do, and anything that helps make people better at what they do has to be worthwhile.
CIB Certificate and Diploma in Construction Site Management has recently been updated to reflect the ever-changing and evolving requirements that are required for the modern construction manager. The units are diverse to ensure that candidates gain a good practical knowledge across the competencies required to take on a supervisory or management role within the industry. 3 units, including health, safety and wellbeing, are required to achieve the certificate, whilst to obtain the diploma, all 9 units must be completed. The 9 units involved are contractual and legal responsibilities, managing quality, managing health, safety and wellbeing, project planning, control, monitoring and risk, managing people, organisation of the construction site, construction project resourcing and cost management, managing the technology of modern and traditional construction works, and managing sustainable construction. The course itself, suitable for people from all sectors within construction. We have a great mixture on the classes with developers, main contractors, subcontractors and self-employed people. The delivery is structured to enable flexibility. We have short online webinars and they're scheduled to enable candidates to plan their studies around the demands of the workplace. The course itself is assessed by way of ongoing practical tasks, and we have one-to-one sessions with the tutors to provide feedback and guidance.
We see courses from the CIB, especially that particular one, in upskilling tradesmen or carpenters or junior site foremen and our senior site foremen to come into PMs, and we see those courses vital for their career development. Well, Stephen is a career-driven man, and he's currently a site manager, and he sees himself as being, he wants to be a PM, and for him to do that, he needs to do those type of courses.
The course gave me the confidence in my academic ability, which I didn't have before, mainly due to the fact I didn't complete my Leaving Cert certificate. I had all the practical experience in the world and a general knowledge of all trades, but no qualifications to show for it. So the key benefit for me personally was to gain a qualification which I didn't have before. It's recognised worldwide. I would 100% recommend this course. It's given me great confidence in my own ability, and it's furthered my career already.
Derek had a career-threatening injury, and we were able to change him from being a tradesman to being a supervisor and give him the tools that's necessary to help him, establish him as a supervisor and help him into that role, to make that transition.
The course was important to me because at the time I was out of work due to an injury. Didn't know whether I'd be able to return to my role as an installer and return on the tools, so the opportunity of doing the course was good for me, that it opened up doors and maybe give me a supervisor or managerial role. The thing I liked best about the course was that the fact that I was in a new role and I had never done this before, and I was supervising, and definitely the course definitely helped me through the task in hand of supervising the job and getting it to the finish. Key benefits for me was, I suppose, learning a little bit more in my own profession, gathering more information on that, but also learning other stuff about different parts of the construction sector that I could take on. And then also, I learned a lot in this that I could take with me and apply it straight to practice on the job.
The overall experience itself was brilliant. The people I met in the course from all different backgrounds, it's great to see and speak to other people and get involved. The lecturers were very, very good. If you're struggling, they're always there to help you. They'll get you through it, so that was the key. Being busy in work, it's hard to commit time, but the guys are there to help you out. Well, I'm currently in WIT, completing a level 7 degree. I hope to have this under my belt by the end of 2021. Without this course, I wouldn't be in this position.
To apply, please send your CV to cpskillnet@cif.ie, or if you'd like further information or to talk to someone who has done the course already, please contact Liz at 087 9323 749.